In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a new microphone in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're setting up for an important meeting or just trying to have a clearer conversation, the right microphone can make all the difference. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your new microphone is properly connected and operational with Microsoft Teams. First, let's consider the different connection methods you might be using. Your new microphone might connect via USB, Bluetooth, or even a 3.5mm jack. Regardless of the type, the initial step is to plug your microphone into your PC or laptop. Once connected, you need to check that your computer recognizes the new device. If you're using a Windows machine, head over to Settings, then navigate to System, followed by Sound, and finally Input Devices. Look for your microphone in the list. If you're on a Mac, go to System Settings, click Sound, and then Input to ensure your microphone is listed there. This confirms that your computer acknowledges the new microphone. After ensuring your computer recognizes your microphone, it's time to dive into Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams application on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to access more options. From the drop-down, select Settings and then head to Devices. This is where you can manage all your audio and video equipment for Teams. Now let's select your new microphone in Teams. Still under the Audio Devices section in your Teams settings, search for the Microphone option. You'll see a drop-down menu here. Click on it and select your new microphone from the list. A quick way to confirm that everything is working smoothly is to speak into the microphone while observing the microphone level bar. If it moves in response to your voice, you're good to go. Testing is a crucial part of setting up your microphone to guarantee clarity during calls and meetings. Still, within the Devices Settings section of Microsoft Teams, you'll find an option to make a test call. Click this feature and follow the prompts to record a short message. Listen to the playback to ensure that your voice is clear and at the right volume. If your voice isn't clear, consider adjusting your system's input volume or switching to another microphone if you have multiple options available. Finally, with everything set up, your new microphone will automatically be selected for all your calls and meetings within Microsoft Teams. Enjoy crystal clear audio quality, whether you're giving a presentation or catching up with coworkers. Now you're all set to make effective and seamless use of your new microphone in Microsoft Teams.